Stakeout with the all-new R12i is a completely new process, and in my opinion it's one of the greatest new features of this system. Along with Trimble Access, it's a completely different way of working in the field for the surveyor. The old process was very much a step-by-step, iterative approach of getting closer, getting level, checking your numbers, see where you need to go. Now though, it's simplified, significantly simplified, and it's a direct approach for staking out. All we need to be doing is watching the map, where you'll see the target of where we're going and our position. And all we want to do is line up the position on the map with the target, and you'll be right on the point, first time, every time. So let's stake out a point that we've got here. You can see we're getting close, and as we get closer it pans in. And it's as simple as watching that map and lining up the positions. First time without any effort, we're sub-centimetre straight onto the point. Show you how easy it is, we'll stake out another one. We've got point number 203. Again, because we've got the receiver and the LED lights aligned to us, it's using our position in that heading. We can start by following the arrow, it's showing me this way. I start walking. As soon as I get closer, it zooms into that map view showing me and the target. And all we need to do is align those two. First time within millimeters. Still. Got a control point over here, point number 200. We'll stake that out. Same process. Again, looking at the screen, using the tip as guidance. We don't even need to be looking at the tip though. The tip is what the position is, but it's what we're seeing on screen visually. We can see instantly, millimeters. The R12i is available today. Contact your local Trimble distributor if you want a demo or if you're ready to buy.